Assalamualaikum. 안녕하세요. Hello. 여기 오신 것을 환영합니다. Welcome here. 저는 우스만입니다. I'm Usman. 저는 파키스탄에서 왔습니다. I'm from Pakistan. 저는 한국어를 배우고 있습니다. I'm learning Korean language. 잘 지내시나요? How are you? 건강하시길 바랍니다. Wishing a good health for you. This is my day 29 of Korean language speaking challenge, and this is second last day. In this day I have an ayah from Surah Al-Balad, Surah number 90, ayat number 4. It is Shilo nanun inganul wadalpum sage itgigum changjuhainura. It means indeed we have created humankind in a state of hardship. अल्लाह ताला फरमाते हैं कि हमने इंसानों को मुशक्क़त में पैदा किया. In this ayah in Korean language, Shilo means indeed, Nanun means I, Inganul means human, Godalpum means hardship. So this was my day 29 of Korean language speaking challenge. 안녕히 goodbye. Chulgon Shigan Dusyo. Have a nice time. Luck from here.